Hello, bonjour, comment ça va? Come sta? Ciao, 你好, konnichiwa. Today's video is to the Italian vintage masters, chiefs, and also Italian real estate agent, especially in Puglia area. Okay, why I make this video is because that I decided to make an effort to fulfill my last dream. That is to start a violin repair, restoration, and sound adjustment class. I can't say school, it's a class, okay?
Hello, my name is Daniel Olsen Chen, and Norwegian, a Chinese Norwegian. I'm a violin maker, bow maker, and string maker.
For this purpose, I need big space. I know that in southern Italy, there are many villages or less and less people moving out. There are lots of space there. So many village masters, chiefs, they would like to bring the village back to life. I will try my best to fulfill this purpose. So I would love to cooperate with a village master who loves music, who loves violin, to work together to start this course. I can buy some properties. I can also, if possible, to rent or to borrow. If some village that is abandoned elementary school or kindergarten or some kind of government facility or even a big factory, that would be ideal because I need a big space. I can buy some houses or condos for my students come to stay, but I need a big space that I can work as a workshop, a classroom, okay? Why I want to do this? First of all, in this world, there are quite a few very good violin making schools, like in Cremona, like in America, like even in Beijing. They are very, very good, very professional. They trained lots of professional violin makers. But there is no violin repairing, restoration, or sound adjustment, especially this kind of school or this kind of course. I think it's in 1993 or 1994, I was the last one entered in Lee Gogosen's class. Lee Gogosen is the chairman of American Violin Association. That was his last class, do restoration and repairs. After, not many. So, in the whole world, violin teachers, violin shop owners, even violinists themselves are always troubled for even some very small problems, like they dropped a sound post, or the bridge falls down, or the peg doesn't work, or some sound somewhere, or some opening. Some very, very small things they don't know how to fix. That's a huge problem especially for violin teachers. My class is not aimed to professional violin makers because you have place to ask, you have experience, you can do it yourself. My purpose is to help violin teachers, violinists themselves, and small music shop owners, because the small music shop, they're also dealing a little bit about violin, then they don't know how to do. I'm trying to help this part of people. As you know, me, Daniel Olsen Chen, is a YouTuber that made the most repairing, restoration, and sound adjustment videos in the YouTube. You can find my hundreds of repairing, sound adjustment, restoration videos on YouTube. That's why I have students, acquaintances all over the world. Many of them told me that I give them inspiration to start to try and do a lot of work by themselves. So this is a good opportunity for me to establish a class in Italy. Italy is the source and origin of violin making tradition and art. So I want this class to be in Italy. Secondly, if you Google my name, Daniel Olsen Chen, then you will find the tragedy happened almost like 10 years ago in 2014. Okay, my ex smashed 54 of my violins and 70 of my bows. All these instruments needs to be repaired, needs to bring them to life. The third is that I worked intensively full-time as a repairman, as a shop owner in Japan for more than 20 years. I have a very rich experience dealing with all class, start from Stradivarius, Guaraldi, Amati, Gagliano, Guadagnini, all this highest class to the factory violins manufactured in former Czechoslovakia and East Germany. I have experience to all range of violins. I repaired and restored hundreds, if not thousands, of violins and bows in my life. So I have very rich experience. Plus, I would like to cooperate with other masters. I would like to cooperate with any masters in the world who share my same idea, the same value, and would like to help the violin teachers of the world, the shop owners, the violinists. If you are a violin repair or making master or bow making master, I would love you to be my partner for long time or for short time, for long term or for short term. Okay, again, this is a call for the vintage chiefs, masters in Italy, in southern Italy, especially in Puglia area, that I would like to find a place in your village, together with you, bring your village back to life and fulfill my life dream. That is to start a violin repair, restoration, and sound adjustment class. Okay, thank you for watching, and please contact me. Thank you again. Bye-bye. Oh, by the way, this is not my violin workshop in Norway. I'm in Norway now. This is temporarily. I only doing bow repairing and small work because my tools are not here yet. But I plan to bring all my tools to Italy, to my workshop, to work together with all the violin teachers, shop owners, violinists, and violin lovers all over the world. You are welcome to Italy after I settle down. Thank you. Thank you again, and bye-bye.